So in this video we are going to help you set up your Python environment if you're not having yet Python 3. If you use Mac or Linux, you already have Python installed, but Windows does not have Python installed by default. So you might have Python 2 and we are going to use Python 3. So you should check to see if you have Python 3 first. So you have to type on the command prompt. Oh, my keyboard. Okay. Python. Python capital V to see if you are having Python 3 installed. So Python was not found without asking to install from Microsoft Store, Manage App Store, or Rise. So I'm not having. So if this message occurs means that you are not having Python. So to get Python installed, you will find it on this website. https www.python.org and at no, it's okay. So the internet connection is so bad on my side, so I have to. This is the website of Python. So the earliest Python here, you have Python 3, so you have to the latest Python 12.1, so you download the latest version. So Python downloading. It takes some few minutes. So after downloading Python 3.12, we find here. Okay, open. We try to open our application. Yes, it's launching. Installation. Oh, let me close this. Okay, install Python 3.12 64-bit. So you have to install now directly. Don't forget to add Python to path because it will be useful during these processes. So by installing Python, it will take some few seconds. So let's wait. installation process was successful. Now we are ready to run our first code. So thank you.